Hi everybody, welcome to this channel. Selamat datang di channel ini. Channel ini adalah channel pembelajaran, di mana di channel ini kita membahas materi-materi pembelajaran yang dijumpai di sekolah. Baik, sebelum kita lanjut, jangan lupa untuk menekan tombol like, komen, dan subscribe. Baik, pada beberapa video sebelumnya kita sudah pernah membahas materi mengenai offering help, yakni menawarkan bantuan atau jasa, materi yang kalau di kurikulum 2013 revisi, materi ini diajarkan untuk para siswa kelas 12 SMA maupun SMK. Nah, sudah ada beberapa video sebelumnya yang membahas mengenai ungkapan-ungkapan yang dipakai untuk offering help, kemudian juga ada beberapa latihan soal. Kita sudah membahasnya di beberapa video sebelumnya. Nah, pada video kali ini, saya akan memberikan sebuah evaluasi, beberapa soal evaluasi, yang diharapkan bisa menjadi tolok ukur, menjadi acuan, mengukur seberapa jauh pemahaman Anda tentang materi ini. Karena sekali lagi, di video-video sebelumnya, sudah ada beberapa video yang membahas tentang materi ini. Dan untuk video kali ini, I'm going to give you an evaluation. Ya, ada beberapa soal yang menjadi bahan evaluasi, mengukur sejauh mana pemahaman kita tentang materi offering help atau menawarkan bantuan atau jasa. Oke, directionnya atau petunjuk untuk evaluasi, petunjuk untuk mengerjakan soal-soal adalah choose the appropriate expression to complete the dialogue. Sekali lagi petunjuknya adalah choose the appropriate expression to complete the dialogue. Pilihlah ungkapan yang tepat untuk melengkapi dialog atau percakapan yang ada. Oke, so let's start with question number 1. Pertanyaan nomor 1, percakapannya antara shop assistant dengan John. Shop assistant berkata, "Welcome to Nusantara shop, bla bla bla. John, I'd like to see the red fruit basket over there." Kemudian shop assistant, "Sure, this one is handmade." Nah, ungkapan mana yang tepat untuk mengisi titik-titik di bagian shop assistant di atas itu? Ada 4 option di sini. Silakan Anda pilih. A. Would you like me to see the souvenirs? B. Would you show me some souvenirs? C. What would you like to show me? And D. Would you like to see our souvenirs? Next. Question number 2. The dialogue is between David and Dean. David berkata, "I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It suddenly switches off while I'm using it." Kemudian Dean di situ di awal bla 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 kosong, dan selanjutnya dia berkata, "I used to have the same camera as yours." Dan David berkata, "I hope you can fix it." Pilihan jawabannya ada 4. A. Would you like to check it? B. Let me see what's wrong. C. I'd like you to fix the camera. And D. Can you check it for me please? Jadi kira-kira dari option A, B, C, D ini yang mana yang paling tepat untuk mengisi titik-titik di percakapan di atas? Next, number 3. The dialogue is between Mary and Daniel. Mary berkata di awal, "Oh, I can't breathe in this small hot room. The air conditioner." Kemudian Daniel bla bla bla, "It may give us fresh air." Dan Mary berkata, "Thanks a lot." Pilihan jawabannya ada 4. A. I'll open the window wide. B. I lock the door tightly. C. I'll take you to the right place. And D. We'll move the door quickly. Kira-kira mana ungkapan yang tepat dari antara A, B, C, dan D untuk mengisi titik-titik? Next, number 4. The dialogue is between Ben and Bob. Ben berkata, I'm very tired of having non-stop walking for 1 hour. I feel thirsty. Kemudian Bob berkata di situ kosong. Selanjutnya Ben berkata, That's very kind of you. Pilihan jawabannya A. Can you give me a bottle of milk? B. Do you want to have some cookies? C. Would you like some mineral water? D. Would you like to eat pizza? Kira-kira dari option A, B, C, D ini mana yang tepat untuk diisi pada bagian Bob yang hilang di dialog ini? Next, number 5. The conversation is between Jen and Jack. Jen berkata, it's almost 1 p.m. now. Kemudian Jack bla bla bla. Kemudian Mary berkata, Jen berkata, no thanks. I dislike eating meat quite much. No thanks. I dislike eating meat quite much. Optionnya A. Would you like hamburger for lunch? B. What would you like to have for lunch? C. Could you bring something to eat? And D. Why don't we eat at restaurant? Silakan dipilih dari 4 option ini, mana yang paling tepat untuk mengisi pada bagian Jack yang kosong di dialog ini. Next, number 6. The dialogue is between Sam and James. Good morning, sir. Blah, blah, blah. Our latest product. This is one of the best products that we made. Kemudian James berkata, It is silk, isn't it? I like the pattern and the feel in my skin. Optionnya ada 4 untuk melengkapi bagian yang kosong di atas. Apakah A. I would like to buy. B. I would like to show you. C. I want to decide. D. I need to show. Next, number 7. The dialogue is between Lisa and Cindy. Lisa berkata, I'm having a terrible day. I must have left my purse at home. Kemudian Cindy bla bla bla. Next, Lisa berkata, Would you lend me some money? I need to be at the meeting in 15 minutes. I will pay you back tomorrow. Optionnya A. Will you help, please? Will you help me, please? B. Can you give me a hand? C. Is there anything I can do? And D. May I take it back now? Silakan dipilih dari 4 option ini, mana ungkapan yang tepat untuk mengisi bagian yang kosong dari percakapan ini. Next, number 8. The conversation is between Ryan and Brian. Ryan berkata, I have to finish my assignment today. I have read the materials many times, but I still don't understand. It is too difficult for me. Kemudian Brian berkata di situ bla 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 dengan sambungannya, I learned about it when I was taking my undergraduate degree. Kemudian Ryan berkata, Really? Thank you very much. You are the best brother ever. Pilihan jawabannya A. Would you mind explaining the material? B. Could you tell me about the material? C. Would you like to borrow my book? And D. Do you want me to explain it to you? Next, number 9. The dialogue is between Mike and Jamie. Mike berkata, did you see John? Kemudian Jamie berkata, he was helping Mr. Yanto in his office. What's the matter? He promised to help me with the decoration. Kemudian Jamie berkata di situ kosong. Dan selanjutnya Mike berkata, that would be nice. Thank you. Optionnya A. Is it okay for you to prepare all the stuffs? B. Thank you for helping me. C. Could I ask you to take the stuffs needed for decoration? And D. Let me help you with the decoration. Jadi dari 4 option ini, A, B, C, D, mana yang tepat untuk melengkapi perkataan Jamie yang hilang di dialog nomor 9 ini. And the last number 10. The dialogue is between Harry and Victor. Harry berkata, I must type 2 reports this morning. Kemudian Victor berkata, let me help you to type one of them. Selanjutnya Harry berkata di situ kosong. So, you can choose from option A, B, C, D yang ada. A. That's very kind of you. B. Have you finished typing the report? C. Can I help you? And D. I would like to help you. Oke, jadi dari 10 soal ini, silakan Anda jawab. Semoga Anda bisa menjawab dengan benar, dengan tepat, sehingga Anda bisa mengukur sejauh mana pemahaman Anda tentang materi ini. Materi offering help, menawarkan bantuan atau jasa, yang kalau di sekolah itu diajarkan di kelas 12 SMA ataupun SMK di semester ganjil. Oke, thank you for watching this video. Terima kasih banyak sudah menyaksikan video ini. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video.